Hey everybody, welcome to the No Paper No Pen reality show. What's up? We back. What is you,
man? What's up, man? It's a good day today. You know, the weather is what it is, but you know, a lot of people not here, and you know, they say thank God for waking you up. So that's why I said it's a good day, even though a lot of people ain't here. I know that's sad. You know what I'm saying? And it's the life we live in, and it's a lot going on. So we here to talk about it on No Paper No Pen. Shout out.
Yeah, shout out to Coco and Artiana for this
content.
This content.
Shout out to y'all, man. Shout out to y'all. Big up, salute, appreciate it. You know, helping brothers out. So what's good, man? What's the big topic?
So
today?
man, the topic is today Trina, the rapper.
Hold on, one more time, my bad. Shout out to Coach Black, he got these health drinks, you know. Urban Life Coach, you know, black man, so shout out to him.
Support all the black businesses, support him, entrepreneurship. Definitely. You know, get it right, man. So
drinks.
Yeah, we need a little energy right now too. So y'all make sure y'all get them drinks, man. Holler at Third, you know what I'm saying? He'll get you in contact with people that, you know what I'm saying, you get in contact with. Yeah, so my friends Coco and Artiana, man, they gave me the content about Trina calling black people animals. The rapper now from Miami, Trina.
And you just pulled it up, and I heard it from myself.
Mm-hmm.
You know, she said that, you know, they animals, they need to lock people down. And
start a 6 p.m. curfew and nice tattoo there. No paper, no pen, man. Raw, uncut footage, man. Hey, we'll be right back.
What the streets got to do with the people's lives? You got money.
We're not talking about the lives. We're not talking about money. We're not talking about the lives.
Listen,
we're not talking about that.
You got money.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
These people got to go to work. Mm-hmm. These people been on lockdown.
I've been on lockdown too. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
You've been on lockdown.
I've been on lockdown just like them. Uh-huh.
Yeah, these people ain't been working.
Okay. Unfortunately, a lot of people don't have jobs. I agree with that. Mm-hmm.
They're about to lose their mind.
We all about to lose our mind. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
And just because one person.
Mm-hmm. They run. So today their minds are all back. Everybody's minds is back today good? Because the weekend it was they back good, okay?
They mind. One day they gonna get their mind good. But it'll help.
Oh, okay.
That start somewhere.
Okay, that's cool.
That start somewhere.
And that means tear up our city? That means tear up our city?
Ain't nobody tear up no city.
That means tear up our city. That means run through and tear up our stores and burn down our stuff and break in our stores and go and tear up Bayside Marketplace and tear up my friend's shop that has a son and the kid to take care of her family. You go demolish the shop for something?
It's always
no.
personal with
you. It's definitely personal. It's definitely personal because I feel like at the end of the day,
your friend got insurance.
She got insurance, but she also been locked down for 60 days, also like us, and she also don't have money like me. So I don't approve of it, period.
Okay.
I don't approve of it, period.
I don't either, but
you don't want nobody burning down Sundays, let's be very clear.
But
okay, and you have insurance.
But let me tell you this.
You don't want to be sent back from ribs and collard greens. Let's be very clear. Yeah.
Bring back
We can't bring back anything. We can't bring back nobody's lives that has been taken away, whether it was from the police or in the hands of another civilian. We cannot bring them back. We cannot.
Okay.
We cannot bring them back. You cannot pump life back into them at all. I can't bring back my little brother's life. His life was taken by the hands of a man, a black man. I can't bring his life back. So what are you saying? Let's be back. Because I'm ready today. Today, I'm ready today. I am ready today, Miami. Today is the day. That's what we're talking about. Yes, I'm ready today.
All right. Now, we're not talking about that.
Now, we're talking about it. We're talking about it.
We're talking about it.
We're talking about it. We're talking about it. Y'all always sweep that under the rug and y'all want to make something else. We're going to talk about it all today.
All right.
Yeah.
We're talking about black lives. All right.
The black lives that matter, right? The same black lives that are taken from the hands of other black people, those matter too, huh? All right.
I wouldn't.
Yeah. In the life of it. It's no comparison. I feel the same way. It's no exception. A life is a life, period. Period. A life is a life. No matter how it was taken, whether it was a car accident, whether it was from a police, whether it was from the hands of another black man, a life was taken. Simple.
All right, I got to get to that. All right, I'm glad you said period. Trick.
Fired Minneapolis police officer Derek Chauvin has been arrested and charged with third-degree murder. Third-degree murder and manslaughter. Okay, third-degree murder means a homicide committed with the intention of causing bodily harm, but not necessarily death. If convicted, he could get 25 years in prison or a murder charge up to 10 years in prison for manslaughter. And that's supposed to justify everything, right? Like, are you going to put him in a death chair? Because otherwise, all the rest of the stuff y'all doing don't make sense to me. That's what I'm saying. Now, I have so much to say, Miami. I am fired up, I am pissed off, and I am ready today. So, that's it. I don't have to be careful when I say I'm a grown person, and I'm not contradicting myself at all. I know what I want to say. I have everything I want to say, and not you, and nobody else ain't going to tell me how to say it. This morning, Monday morning, I am ready. I'm ready to speak and say what I got to say. All y'all fake for the protesters and the fake, oh, we so concerned about George Floyd. Half of y'all not marching, are not even caring about this man. People are just doing it maliciously.
Everybody wasn't looting and burning up stuff.
Yeah.
So you cannot compare what other people are doing to the people that are using this for the wrong reason.
Yeah.
Because it's a handful of them. It's only a handful of them. The rest of us are tired of it. When the police get behind you and the red and blue lights come on, you're not supposed to be scared. You're not supposed to be scared.
I'm never scared. I have my license and registration and insurance. I'm not scared. I know my rights.
Everybody that got killed by the police.
Exactly.
Yeah. This is like Christmas for me because I do this for a living. People always say, "Why you get so down on black celebrities?" And you're seeing a pattern of black celebrities left and right over the last about a week now. And they're showing you they fucking ass. They showing you who they really are. How many of them have complained about, don't burn down my business, don't burn down Gucci. Unless you're an independent small business owner of color, fuck that. You got insurance like Trick Daddy just told her. Trick, who looks like Esther Roll from Good Times these days, Trick was the only person kicking some knowledge to her. She sounded like a bitch, a ratchet project bitch who had no sense. And when they get in their feelings, and like he said, everything's personal with Trina. When she gets like that, there's no talking to a broad like that. When those type of broads, when they get upset and everything is personal, there's nothing you can say. So apparently she lost her little brother on a quote unquote black on black crime incident. So she's one of those black on black crime motherfuckers. First of all, for her to did y'all want to cancel people? She should be canceled. She called everyone animals because they tore up precious little Miami. First of all, Miami is a pretty decent sized city. They didn't tear up the city. They tore up a certain area, and most of these looters are not black people. If you pay attention and you watch the fucking media, you know that. It's like Linda Hogan, Hulk Hogan's ex-wife, the other day, blamed it on black folks and said Afro-Americans are the ones doing the looting. I'm telling you, these black celebrities are not what you think they are. Trina used to call herself the baddest bitch in the game. She's really the saddest bitch in the game. Because ain't nothing cute about a woman 45 pushing 50 still calling herself a bad bitch. But that's a whole nother scenario, a whole nother case right there. But like I say, when Trick Daddy is the voice of reason, you know you're going somewhere. And she's on Twitter and she's challenging people like she really thinks she's right. I'm like, you are wrong on so many levels. First of all, then she tries to, I guess she believes in the system because she's like, well, the man was charged for third degree. We've seen cops get charged and still walk and get acquitted. So what does that mean? Then she says, when Trick puts up the scenario of you shouldn't feel afraid when you get pulled over by the cops. Oh, I got license and registration. I got license and registration too, but as a black man, every time I've been pulled over, the paranoia just comes over me. You know what I mean? And it's been nights you come from the club, you drunk as a skunk, but as you get pulled over, you sober up like that, right? There is a certain privilege that you have just by being wealthy in this country, because this status in this country usually is based off your race or your wealth. You know, you in first class or you in coach. She's been wealthy for a long time, her whole adult life, and she's completely disconnected from black reality in this society. If you think license and registration is going to save you if a police officer decides to kick your ass as a black woman, you are really out of touch with reality. And I think, unfortunately, Trina's going to have a wake-up moment. She might have to deal with some police brutality for her to understand it firsthand, because she clearly doesn't understand it. And she's running around, oh, I got time today. Y'all just tearing up the city. Y'all don't care about that, man. You know, how are you going to tell people what they care about? Now, is it a lot, like Trick said, is it a lot of people who are just out here because they've been sitting at home, unemployed, broke, frustrated for the last 3 months? Of course. You know, some people feel useless and just want to be a part of something. They want to be a part of the world again. But to sit there and tell black folks that they just doing it, well, what about the black folks that protested for Mike Brown, Eric Gardner, Phil Costello? This has been a reoccurring thing. Every time a cop does this, we protest and shit. So what are you talking about? You know what I mean? She's really putting her foot in her mouth. And like I say, just like the Shakina girl, oh, why y'all burn down Gucci? You know, the Dream, who was telling everyone, y'all need to, I done put too much money in Atlanta for y'all to tear it up. These motherfuckers are, and I want them to continue to expose yourself and open your fucking mouths so you can show black folks who the fuck y'all really are. Y'all some coon ass bootlicking motherfuckers who will do anything for the check. I'm starting to think, in my own conspiracy, that they're being paid, these black entertainers that are speaking reckless. I think these motherfuckers might be getting paid to do all this bootlicking and cooning and shoe shining. Because it don't make no sense. I mean, every other day, another black celebrity comes out of their mouth and they say some stupid shit. And Trina was the latest one. So everyone in this cancel culture society, now they want to cancel Trina. I don't know how you cancel her because she ain't been relevant since I was in middle school, you know. But Trina, you know, like I said, not everything that looks good with a fat ass is necessarily good, because she's definitely a bird, and I didn't know she was that stupid. You don't really know these people. You know their music and you see what they allow you to see on television or social media, but now you're really getting to see how these people really think and how they operate in their mind. You know, the fact that she thinks she's good, despite being a black woman, if she gets pulled over in her Bentley, oh, I got license and registration. You come across the wrong cop at the wrong time, bitch. You could get got just like Sandra Bland, God rest her soul, or anybody else. You know, but I guess because of her celebrity status and her money, she feels like she's above police brutality. Those might be the only black people that are somewhat above police brutality, black celebrities. Because that wasn't the case for Sean Bell or Alton Sterling, or I could just keep naming names on names on names. But between the celebrity status and the wealth, a lot of black celebrities feel like they're above black America. And they don't have to obey the same rules as we do, clearly. So, like I say, y'all keep fucking opening y'all mouths and exposing yourselves to the people so the people can see who the fuck you really are. I'm out of here.
So, yeah, man, that's, I mean, you know, everybody had their opinion. Everybody ain't perfect.
Right.
And in my opinion, that's just like, the people that did loot and did what they did, you know, they probably went off the top. It's just like her, she probably just went off the top with that. That's how she felt. That's how they felt, you know what I'm saying? And when I heard she was like, they need to lock it down, woo, woo. My question to her is, you know, who is they? You know, she talking about the government, she talking about the police, she talking about us, you know. Who is they? Because that's the problem. People always say they, but there's never anyone being held accountable for their actions. That's why it's a big they. You can't go and say, you know, such need to shut it down. Because it ain't such, it's they. And they is what type of, whatever they taught me in school. They, it's not, what is it, a pronoun or something?
They is, yeah.
Yeah. A noun or pronoun, one of them. So who is they?
Mm-hmm.
In this book, in this story, we're not going to get nowhere.
We keep saying they.
We don't know who they are. We don't know who they is. Now, we might know the people we see, but it's still them.
Not us.
And no, it's still them. He can't do nothing without him. He can't do nothing without him. He don't know nothing about nothing because they only taught him this.
Mm-hmm.
You know, and you know, like she said, you know, they ain't have to go do this, burn down other people's stuff, and they mad, and the next day they gonna be alright.
Mm-hmm.
Well, it go like that. She be mad at Trick one day, the next day they alright.
Mm-hmm.
You know, that everybody had their opinion. I'm not saying, you know, it's just how she felt. And like she was saying, and like, you know, Trick was saying, that's what the insurance are for. That's what insurance is for.
Mm-hmm.
So if it was just a regular thunderstrike, hit a tree, and it burnt down, you wouldn't have been mad because the insurance covered it.
Right.
Well,
right.
But it's the same thing.
Mm-hmm.
This the same thing.
Except for it's a person, not a thing.
It's the same. It's the same. That's what insurance is for. It fall under insurance.
Mm-hmm.
It's under the same category.
Unless you ain't got no insurance.
Well,
Then
you know, that ain't got nothing to do with, you know, this is they business.
Mm-hmm.
This is they stuff.
Right.
Without them, who we talk to get this storefront, to build this, we had to talk to somebody.
Man. So yeah, man. So yeah. So she the whole. I think everybody got mad about the whole animal.
Yeah,
saying animal thing. You know what I'm saying?
The animal situation. Well,
yeah.
That's just opinion. Just like they saying blacks. Just like they saying nigger.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's just a word in a dictionary that I didn't create. Mm-hmm. So why would I even take my opinion? You know,
take offense.
Yeah, and that's what throw us off. Oh, black lady called us a name. We get called the name all the time.
Right.
We get called worse name that they say worse, but if we take it as the words and we that pussy, that's another word.
Mm-hmm.
Then what are we really doing? We worry about what a bitch said about that. That just hurt me in my heart. Called me an animal. Man, but if you got if any real black person know what you call yourself, bitch, I'm a bear. Bitch, I'm a beast. Bitch, I'm an animal, bitch. Now what? We call each other niggas all day. Soon as somebody else calls it.
Because she got a little clout and she on the radio.
See, that's the thing. That's another word, clout. we living by brainwash mentality. But anyway, my biggest thing ain't about the animal. My biggest thing is, why is the police so intimidated for real by black people? Everybody, I ain't say white people, I said the police. Cause now we throw it off again because now it's a race thing. No, it's the police. These who own people killing it. Now, if these people paying you to kill it, we don't know nothing about that. The police is killing black people. And my thing
it just so happened that they white in a uniform and they the police.
Listen, they done been picked on. That's a fact in school coming up. You feel me? But my thing is those people you killing is the same people that picked on you? Do you get it? Because they saying we shouldn't blame all polices. But obviously you blaming all black people for whatever a black person did to you. That's what my opinion, that's what it look like. That's what it looked like to me.
Well, one thing I can say, you know what I'm saying, we're not gonna let one small thing of what she said upset the whole race or whatever, stop what's going on. Because what's going on right now, black people are getting out there protesting and standing up for themselves, and I see more and more blacks coming together, you know what I'm saying? For what reason, as long as it's something to uplift.
Because obviously, go ahead.
As long as it uplifts, you know what I'm saying, the black people, and they wake up and have a sense of direction.
So my thing is, I know I don't know everything because I don't pay attention. I'm more of a land person. You know, I'm not with all the you gotta have this, you gotta do this, and you got, because you're losing your sense of direction. You're losing your sense of nature. You know, that's why some people know how to live off the land and some people go crazy. You know, so and we all human. So and then I haven't heard God in the situation yet. They say you can't do it by yourself. You know, so we gotta be prayed up for one man. And I don't know everything, but you know, I love all people, but it's the brainwash that's in certain people that's the majority mass that mess it up, and then we run in circles. Everybody has their own opinion, run in circles. But if you know how to plant, you gotta get to the root.
Know how to plant.
Plant, baby. You gotta get to that root. You gotta do something. You
Get
want
to
to
the
kill
root.
it. You want a temporary cut, or you want to cure it. You want a temporary
fix,
or you want it cured,
or you want permanent fix.
And the permanent fix is learn your senses. Learn your senses. That's why they have things like, oh, you can use 100% of your brain and all that. If you learn your senses, you use 100% of your brain.
Makes sense.
It makes sense. You know, so yeah, man, there's no paper, no pen, man. You know, other than that, man, make sure y'all follow us, subscribe, man. You know, I'm just saying, follow, subscribe. Now, I know Brother Marcus probably got something else to say.
Yeah. Basically what he was saying, man, let them know where to subscribe at, man. Hit that subscribe button right up there, man.
Reality show, Tane family, you know, the wheel gaming, you know what I'm saying? Tane label, subscribe, all them, man. Tane it on bang. When we got swag, we got Tane, and man, just you know, learn your senses. That's my opinion, and that's my help. That's what I'm. You know, I'm not God. God is God. You know, we all one at the end of the day, but you know, we all have to put in. That's why we go on to drop these puzzle people ET. Shout out to puzzle people ET.
What you just said. But yeah, man, so was out there protesting, no paper, no pen, was out there with the protesters out there. Got a little bit, some little clips, some pictures, man, you know what I'm saying, that y'all see that right there. Also, we was down there at the city council today with those brothers, Crump Man, shout out to Crump Man, and Your Highness, Connie Burton will be on the show next, you know what I'm saying, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to that. No paper, no pen. Hey man, we really taking into a new level, but new heights. We getting ready to really put some gas on this thing and really push it.
And make sure y'all give us some content.
Right.
When you see me in the street, give me some content.
You know, matter of fact, man, I remember you're an artist and a rapper too, man, and we need a jingle for the No Paper, No Pen.
Right here. Oh, we can do that as soon as we're done, man. Get that done. Thank you for Two heads are better than one. Coming soon.
Oh yeah, talk about two heads. Hey, shout out to Boo Bay 2 times, man. Kirby, 500, man. Everybody that's out there, man, that's been supporting Brooklyn Cuts. Man, hey man, shout out, hey George Holloway in St. Petersburg, man. Shout out him. Don, man, all the supporters and all the sponsors, man.
I read it. GTV came in with us too, man. Shout out to GTV.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man. Shout out Lady P, man. I heard about the radio show. DJ Smell Good at the radio show.
Yeah.
You know, see.
Right.
You feel me?
Right.
It's a lot. You feel me?
Man, shout out to Korea, man. Food is delicious, man. I had a drink. Look, you know what I'm saying, juicy drink, I don't know what they call it, but man.
Caribbean restaurant, man, we be up there, some North Nebraska, by Bougainville, you know, hit us up, Korea's restaurant, we up there. We got Tang merch, so make sure y'all come get some merch.
Yeah, man, so man, we'll catch y'all on the next episode, man. Got a lot going on, y'all stay tuned, you know what I'm saying, no paper, no pen. Reality show, Tang family, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all go to YouTube, subscribe. Make sure y'all subscribe on the IG, No Paper No Pen reality show. And also, you know what I'm saying, go and subscribe to Third World.
3RRD World 813 on IG.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry. One more thing. You doing features too, ain't you?
Me? I'm doing features for the low.
Yeah, I got 15.
$100.
100?
Yeah. My son doing features too. Shout out to Lil Will, man. Go follow Lil Will, man, too. 719, yeah, on Instagram. Lil Will, no way, man. My son doing features for the low too. You can give me back.
We got no paper, no pen. No paper, no pen, baby. Hey, you had some trouble with the mic last time.
Man, Connie, come get this shit off of me. I'm tired of this shit. And Daryl, your ass go and take another cigarette break, you fired, motherfucker.
Man.
Don't do that no more, man. I don't got you high on you. You making me look bad.
Some bullshit. Y'all got the car ready outside? I'm ready to go.
Hey y'all, it's me, Janaya, and make sure y'all subscribe, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all notifications so y'all will never miss another video when we post. And today we're gonna do snacks or facts, and we got our questions. We did 10 questions. So, yeah. Start first. No, we gotta play rock, paper, scissors. Oh, yeah. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'll go first. Okay. Alright. Do you know my favorite color? Pink. No. 5. 4. Purple. Blue. Green, yellow, orange. No. Oh no. Don't hit me hard. Move your hair. No. Move your hair. Move your hair. That's what you keep. Alright. You want to smack me? I got powder in my nail, y'all. I got powder in my head now. I got powder in my nail. Oh my god, that's so weird. Okay. What is my middle name? 5, 4. And Drayton. Janaya and Drayton. No. Janaya and Brown. No. Janaya. I mean, it's just and. Like, you don't say Janaya and Brown.
She got it right.
Right, she got it right.
Ow!
Alright, no.
What is my birthday?
Like September the 13th?
Nope. What? You got the first word right.
September the 1st, the 3rd, the 5th, the 14th, the 15th, the 16th.
That's what you get. Well, your hair, so I won't give you
Okay, what is my birthday? What is my birthday?
your birthday is June
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Nope.
I'm gonna call you mad.
You slapped me. Yeah, you slapped me like that.
Nuh-uh. Okay.
We said we was gonna be soft.
Do you know my dog's middle name?
Dogs can have a middle name.
Tank? Nope.
Big man? Oh, heck no, you better not slap me hard. Because you slapped me hard the first time.
Here, stop.
No, I don't trust you.
You can't ditch me. It got your... Oh no, it got my paper.
Okay. How many times did I have an iPhone? 5,
0.
4,
1.
3, 2, 1.
She was counting fast. Like, really?
I had it 2 times.
Don't slap me hard.
It's powder. Got an olive inside my face.
What is my teacher's name?
Why would you ask that question? Miss Perellis? Miss Douchebag? Miss Recon?
Why do I keep smacking you? This is so fun.
Okay.
It's like getting all over the floor.
How old was I when I had my first iPhone? 5,
10,
4,
9.
2, 1. It was 5.
I said 5.
No, you didn't. You said 10. Something, something, something.
Oh.
Okay.
That's
Nah,
not
the
hard.
other side. Come on, the other
No,
side.
no.
Yeah, the other side.
Those might be hard. Is it mine?
No.
Is it mama?
No.
Alright. What size shoe I wear?
2, 3, 1. It is
You
1.
got it right. I just want to smack you so hard. Not so hard, but so bad.
Okay. How many pets did I have before? 1, 2, 3,
1,
4,
2,
5.
2, 2, 2. She was doing me wrong today.
I get it.
This one's sore. No, this one's
Okay.
sore. No.
Move your head. I get the choose.
No. Yeah. Come on.
Okay.
How many PlayStations do I have?
1,
No.
2.
Yes.
You have Xbox and a PlayStation. Okay. How many houses did I live in? 5, 4, 3, 2.
My God. She had 4. And we had like 2.
She said friends, and that's your sister. That's not fair.
Bruh, I just want to smack her so hard. Oh, it's so bad.
How many best friends did I have before?
100,000.
No.
2.
5. Or what? 3, 2, 1.
100. 4. Half. I don't know.
I was gonna do this.
Ow!
That didn't even hurt.
It did. Last time, what kind of weight MB had?
Fat. How many Jordans did I have before?
Huh?
How many Jordans did I have before? 4. 5.
3,
4.
2, 1.
2.
10.
1. No, I have a lot. That was the answer. A lot. You ain't never said what answer. Puddle.
No, don't smack me hard, like for real. Don't smack me hard. This is my last one. What is one of my dad?
Brooklyn? MB.
What? It was Kirby. Well, that was his brother. Oh, was it?
Oh, my last one for the year.
Let me see your other face.
Oh.
Don't smack me hard, that's what you do.
Okay, how many partners did I have?
Wait, no, you can't count yet.
5.
No, you can't count yet.
3, 2. Alright. How many partners did I have? 1, 2,
4.
3, 4, 5.
5. How many?
6.
You just want to smack me hard. She's a cheater. She's a cheater. That's what she's doing right now.
No,
She's cheating.
I'm getting my hands ready.
Make sure y'all still subscribe, and we don't got swag. We got 10.